Bezrat Hashem, Mincha today is going to be at 7 p.m. 7 o'clock, Mincha and Arvit. The Halacha tells us that when it comes to Bedikat Chametz, there's really a machloket. It's a disagreement in the Achronim. What happens if a person is planning to sell a room in his house? Does he have to check the Chametz the night before, the night of the Bedikah? So let's say most Rabbanim sell the Chametz on the 14th, which is right before Pesach, the morning of the 14th. Bedikat Chametz is the night of the 14th, which is before. And the question really is, well, the night of the Bedikah, it's not yet sold. So shouldn't it have to be checked because it's not yet sold until the morning? So most of the poskim write, no, it does not have to be checked. And the reason is because the sale in itself is a form of bi'u. It's a form of getting rid of chametz. So just like all chametz that you're planning on eating tomorrow, you don't have to check that chametz. You set it aside and you know that tomorrow you're going to be selling it. So too, when you go ahead and you have mehirat chametz, that chametz you don't have to check. Which comes out that rooms that are being sold do not need to be checked. And this is a good solution for people that are leaving. Let's say a person is planning to not be home the whole Pesach, and he's not going to have anybody in his house. Nobody's going to be using his car. So according to the Halacha, the night before you leave, if you're leaving 30 days before Pesach, the night before you leave, you have to do Bedikat on the house, on the car, on everything. Now he doesn't want to do that. He doesn't want to have to do a whole Bedikat. He's not going to be there the whole Pesach. But the Halacha requires him to do it. So one of the solutions is you can go ahead and you can write to the Rab Erev Pesach, right? I want you to go ahead and to sell my chametz, but also sell my entire property. Sell the property or rent the property with the car, and then he is exempt from dikat chametz. Just one thing a person should know, he shouldn't use this tactic to be mafkia the mitzvah, means to undermine the mitzvah. When you use it, it's only because somewhere else you're going to do a bdikah. So let's say you're in a hotel room, there you're going to do a bdikah. But if you're staying at in-laws, or you're staying somewhere else, you say, great, I have a way out of Bedikat Chametz. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't find a way to remove yourself from a mitzvah and an institution of Chachamim. So then we tell the person, you have a solution. Sell all the rooms. You're going to be at a family member's house. Sell all the rooms except for one. That one room, you'll do Bedikat Chametz with a bracha and everything. The rest of the house, you don't have to worry about, since you're not planning on staying there for Pesach. But let's say you have a person, he says, I want to be smart. Why should I have to do this Bedikat Chametz? Let me sell my whole apartment and I'll stay in my house for Pesach. That's not allowed. That for sure is not an option because it's not a real sale. It's just a joke. You're playing games. You're staying there the whole Pesach. What are you selling? You're playing games with us. So that for sure would not work. But if he's planning on leaving, that's a good solution. Baruch Adonai le'olam. Amen.